Alrighty, guys. Here's the opening to one of my favorite volumes of all time, Nature Cat Volume 4. Yeah, I like this show so much. Yep.
Hey, Mom, can we talk about Dad?
What's my name? Garmadon!
So, when you guys got together, was Dad always an evil warlord?
Okay, well, here it is. I got swept up. He had so many plans. He was so ambitious. He said he wanted to conquer the world. I thought it was a figure of speech. But if I had never met Garmadon, I would have never had you.
Hey.
His dad ruins everything. Uh-oh! It's Garmadon!
Together back to the past. Custer's gear.
Students, a true ninja knows when to fight and when to blend in the shadows. Unbelievable.
Alright, guys, let's get Garmadon! You can't catch me, Green Ninja. Watch this!
Where'd that come from?
Hello,
Dad. Lloyd?
That's right, and it's Lloyd, Dad.
Cause baby, now we got bad vibes. Now we just can be bad vibes.
It's okay, Lloyd. Nobody's parents are perfect.
Yeah, but I feel like there's more to Garmadon that I need to know.
To understand your future, you must go back to your ninja roots. Your dad was a ninja too.
Lloyd, you hear that? We've awakened the unstoppable beast. Meowthra.
Are you ready to risk your life for Ninjago?
Ninja, go! I haven't felt this good in a long time. Lloyd, are you okay?
Yeah, I think it was my arm. Is it bad? Is it bad? I don't want to look. Scale of 1 to 10, how bad is it?
Oh, I'd say it's about a 7-point arm ripped off.
This film is not yet rated.
Like all this investigating is making me hungry.
The most legendary crime fighter
Man, what are you doing here?
will meet his match
Trap now!
in a mystery-solving mutt.
Nothing scarier than...
Congratulations, you passed the test. We've been aware of your team for some time. Mystery Incorporated, welcome to the Mystery Analysts of Gotham.
Jinkies, Batman needs our help?
A crime alert.
Maybe we should investigate.
Agreed. I move that Mystery Incorporated take the lead on this case.
It looks like we have another mystery on our hands.
We'll have to eat our way out of here.
You're hungry for action.
Jeepers! He's turned into Batvillains!
Taking down villains
After it.
and helping the Dark Knight save the day.
New plan. Let's bash some bad guys.
Let's go.
Fall to the middle.
Scooby, turn left.
Left. God.
He doesn't know directions.
Duh. He's a dog.
Holy Scooby-Dooby-Doo! Batman!
Scooby-Doo and Batman, the Brave and the Bold. Look for it on DVD and digital.
Bravo! Good show. Talking animals freak me out.
Tell me about
family leaves for the day, I don't just sit inside watching the world go by. I become Nature Cat, backyard explorer extraordinaire. Tally-ho! Tally-ho! We're climbing out the trees now. We're swinging through the breeze now. We're getting to muddy knees now. Nature Cat! So what are we waiting for? We're so excited to explore all that nature has in store. Tally-ho! Tally-ho! Outside through the trees now. We're jumping in the leaves now. We're getting muddy knees now. Tally-ho! Tally-ho! Nature Cat and Mr. Hyde.
27, 28, 29, 30. Here we come!
Found ya! Hi, Nature Cat! It's me, Hal! Really, Hal? That took you like a second to find me. Actually, half a second.
Nature Cat, if you really want to win this year's Neighborhood Hide and Seek Championship Cat Edition, you gotta practice.
You certainly do, and we'll help you train for it. What do you say?